I got a question for you. What kind of idiot wears sunglasses at night in the house? Okay, that's ridiculous. Alright guys, this is a Computer Programming University, and I'm up late again. I'm trying not to be up too late tonight. I just have a bad habit of staying up too late, man. Always studying and working on stuff, so couple different things that I'm working on. Oh, look at this. Sleep well. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see it. I don't know why I didn't just flip the camera over. Good morning, Nick Cartha. I don't know why I just didn't flip the camera. That was kind of nooberific. Shout out to Mega Noob. Sleep well. Discover Weekly. Jazz for sleep. I don't know why that's... Well, you know, I do know why. Spotify's smart. Spotify knows the time of day. This is the kind of things that I might want to listen to. Not because I've actually done it. It's probably based on all the users in general. So users tend to like to listen to this stuff at this time of day based on my local time. So that's why I put it up there. And I know that because I've never looked at any of these like sleep tracks or whatever. So I know it's just doing that, making guesses. But anyway, mobile app business. Let's talk about that and also what I'm up to right now. I am like this is the chaos of my life, as you guys know. Always too many things going on. So over here, I'm actually taking a quiz. I don't know how many more questions. Oh, this is the final question. Which of these functions is used to see a variable type? Who knows? Which of these functions is used to see a variable type? Who knows the answer? Print, type, or var? Man, these questions are so easy, man. What is the answer? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nick knows what's up. That was easy, man. That was so easy. This whole quiz was easy. Skip question, check answer. Oh, man. I got it. I'm a genius. Let's see the results. Great job. You are ready to move on to the next lecture. You've got 6 out of 6 correct. What you know. What is a variable? Python is a dynamically typed language. Which of the following are some of the data types in Python? What do we use? Why do we use variables? What does Python code mean in plain English? X equals 2. Which of these functions is used to see a variable type? So those are all the questions I asked. They were super simple. I was able to get all the answers. Whoop-de-doo. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, Python is cool. Yeah, that was too easy. But you know what? It's the beginning. So I decided that what I wanted to do, which is what I recommended to you guys as well, like just like, you know, practice what you preach. Like I recommend that, you know, I have my Python. Why am I getting weak signal when I'm connected to Wi-Fi? You know, this YouTube mobile app is representative of how bogus YouTube and Google can be. Like they always like they half-ass their stuff, you know? Because there should not be any weak signal. This is Wi-Fi. So is it actually using my data? I feel like shutting off my data to see if I get that. And if you guys see bad reception, let me know. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut off. How do I get this thing off the screen? I'm gonna shut off my data. No, I don't want to cancel streaming. I want to get these stupid things off the screen. There we go. All right, so I don't know if I'm gonna destroy the stream. I mean, I shouldn't. I'm on Wi-Fi. I got internet. So let me see if I can stop the data. Hotspot location. They don't have an option that's just like mobile data. I have to go through the menu. Oh, it already disconnected. Wow. It already disconnected. It already disconnected. Wow, I didn't even do anything yet. All right, so I'm gonna do Wi-Fi mode and then activate Wi-Fi and see. I mean, Wi-Fi mode, airplane mode and then activate Wi-Fi. I'll do it really quickly. All right, here we go. You guys, you let me know what happens, right? I'm gonna go airplane mode and then Wi-Fi real quick. Here we go, and airplane mode. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but I just did airplane mode. I'm in airplane mode right now, so I should have no data. Wi-Fi disconnected? What the hell does that mean, Wi-Fi disconnected? I'm connected. What do you mean? Whoa. My different fields. But specifically, you know, you can do self-study, but how do you prove what you learned, right? Now, taking my course and getting the certificate is something you can show on your resume and you can present to potential employer or even client, depending on what you're looking to do. So I'm gonna do the same thing myself. Yeah, I'm learning Python, I'm picking up all this stuff and have all these skills, but I don't have anything to show. I mean, yes, I'm gonna be building things. I can show you, hey, I built this, I built that, but I would also like to be able to say I took a course. So I'm actually taking a course on Udemy, just like I recommend you guys do. So I'm taking a Python course. It's the same course that I've been recommending to you guys. I'm actually taking it myself. So we're right now doing creation of variables, blah, blah, blah. So I'm having fun with that. But I'm also looking at gear to basically make my life easier as far as like doing videos and live streams with you guys. Like right now I'm holding the camera or the phone. You know, what if I want to do a live stream, you know, somewhere remote? I do have a mount for the bicycle, but what if I don't have my bicycle? I don't have a mount, I gotta hold it. So I was looking at a tripod, which actually I noticed has a remote control, which I didn't realize that. That's really cool. Look at this thing. So it's a tripod, a little mini tripod I can put my phone on. And it's universal. So it's got the flexible legs, right? Flexible legs, and it's adjustable up here. And this is a universal mount, so it should be able to hold my phone, right? But then I was looking at it, so they show some examples of it in usage, and see they have other cameras on it as well. Now I have a sort of a tripod setup that's similar here. But this is for the my webcam, and this is also much smaller and more portable. So they also have another picture here, and they have this is what caught my eye. This is a it looks like a Bluetooth remote, which it has a capture button for an iPhone and a capture button for Google. And I thought it was really cool because that's one of the things that I need. And I'm hoping this will allow me to pause, because when I'm recording by myself, if I want to do a video, I have to press record and then walk into the frame. I have a 3-second timer. It's just not really effective. And then also, once I hit record, I can just do one take. There's no like pausing or anything like that. So if I could have a remote control that I could start and stop, that would make my life so much easier to do videos for you guys. So I've been wanting a Bluetooth shutter control. I couldn't really find one, so I was actually thinking about building an app, and that led to me thinking of, as far as a business idea. You know, they say it's a great product is a product that you would use, right? And I'm doing a lot of stuff by myself as far as production and doing these videos and live streams, and there's things that could make my life so much easier. And I thought to myself, as I come up with these frustrations of like, oh, this sucks, you know, like this thing, I could make much better content much more efficiently if I had the ability to control the camera starting and stopping. A very simple thing. I've been Googling and Googling for sound activated camera app, all kinds of stuff, and I'm not finding it. And I say to myself, you know, that's a market, right? That's a product that just like how it would be great for me, it'd be great for someone else. So why don't I build it, you know? And that could be my app. But I thought, I haven't done a mobile app, so I said, I like to start just like with programming. I like to start with a small, you know, start with the basics first and start expanding and expanding. And I'm saying it like it's a unique idea, but I mean, that's pretty much, I think, how things should be done, right? But, so I said, hey, I want to start building mobile apps that would help, you know, me to be able to produce content for you guys, right? And if it's going to help me, it's going to help other people. So I figured, let me start a business of creating mobile apps that are designed for people just like myself. I know there's many people like myself. Wow, it still disconnects even on Wi-Fi. For sure Wi-Fi, because this is airplane mode. But anyway, so I said, oh, and the camera switch. Sorry about that. So I said, let me design stuff that would help me, because it probably help other people like me. And I figured small steps. The first product should be something very simple. So I said, let me do a Bluetooth remote. So when I saw this, that reminded me of that. And I was like, oh, okay, so someone already has a hardware Bluetooth remote for the camera. This is great. I need a tripod, so I'm probably going to buy this anyway. And the fact that it has a Bluetooth remote, that could be the answer to my problem. But then I said, what about people who don't want to buy this remote or don't want to buy this tripod? Wouldn't it be convenient to have an app you could just download and do the same thing? I haven't really seen one, but I'm going to do my research and see if there is one already. And you know what? Even if there is one, I think it would be a great educational process for me to build one anyway, because I've never done a mobile app before. And I think this is perfect, man. It does one thing, you know. All I gotta figure out is how to control Bluetooth. So again, I haven't done mobile apps, so I guess there's some kind of a mobile API for Android that you can tap into the hardware on the phone, and there's gonna be you know, instructions on how you can tap into the Bluetooth on the phone. So I mean, I don't know how much more complex it gets than that. Because okay, so first of all, how do I establish a connection? And there's the idea of a stable connection, and the idea of changing frequencies, I believe, is a technique that's used, I guess, to deal with interference. You know, so that's something else. Okay, so I can connect to Bluetooth, but then the minute that any interference comes in, then my whole app is broken, because I don't have any interference. I don't have any interference, and I've been practicing with my public speaking to get the ums and ahs out. So let me utilize that practice that I learned recently. Stop and think before you speak. I would need to be able to establish a connection with the Bluetooth and eventually implement some kind of I just did it again. Some kind of interference resistance. Well, it is late. Some kind of interference resistance into it. I'm not really sure what else would be involved. I don't know. I mean, you connect. So let's think about, what am I doing? I need to... Well, first of all, we're talking about a form of network connectivity, right? Basically, I need to establish some kind of connection between two devices using a Bluetooth network. So we have a Bluetooth device that can send, well, again, we're dealing with connectivity, so we need to first establish a connection. So I'm pretty sure there's going to be maybe some open source code about how to do Bluetooth operations. So the first one will be, you know, make a connection. Then I would need to tap into being able to transmit data or commands. There's probably an API that deals specifically with like sending commands. So for example, a command to start or stop your music. And if I could tap into that signal and redirect it to something else, say for example the shutter for a camera app. And then the thing is, which camera app could I do this with? Would I need like an open source camera app that allows me to be able to do this in the first place? So I'm not sure. But bottom line is, I think it would be a great project to get my feet wet. You know what I mean? So that's just an idea I've been tinkering around with. I can only handle so many things at a time, so I'm not looking to do that just yet. But what I will do occasionally, when I have time, I will do a little bit of research here and there into mobile app sort of technology and methods and whatever. Just try to educate myself about it as much as possible. Get my feet wet. Get an idea of what's involved, and then when time permits, I'll actually get into it. So anyway, so that's what I was looking at, and I just wanted to do a quick live stream with you guys. I am going to be working on the quiz creation code, so look forward to a live stream for that. I did a video yesterday about trading order types. I just did it all again. I did a video about trading order types yesterday. I do need to finish editing it before I post it up. And I usually try to post a weekend vlog. This is not the weekend vlog video. I did not get a chance to do that this weekend. I'll try to do it pretty soon. Very bad connection. Wonderful. Alright guys, on that note, with another very bad connection error message, at least we learned one thing today. Apparently whatever the issue is with this YouTube app and maybe the Samsung Galaxy S8, I think it's the YouTube app. It's not about me having a bad 4G signal, because I'm using Wi-Fi and the same thing's happening. In fact, it might even be more frequent. So there's something fishy with this app. But anyway, this is the Computer Programming University. Just want to do a quick live stream. Trying to. I don't know if I might buy some stuff tonight. I'm looking at this remote, this tripod. It's too late for me to be doing more study. I think I need to put down the Python studying for now. If anything, I should log on to my Ubuntu box and do a quick practice on something. Maybe just write a quick, like I try to write some code on a daily basis. I didn't do any code today, so I should probably write some quick code to review something. At a minimum, I should review some code that I've written already, because by reviewing it, it's kind of a refresher. But I got to do some kind of Python before I go to bed. But the school thing, that the videos, learning, taking the e-learning course. I can't even talk right now. I think it's too late for that right now. Too late for that. So that's all she wrote, man. Buenas noches, buenas noches. Until the next episode of Computer Programming University. And I'm out. Good night, Nick. Thanks for joining in.